going to do a rollover or what? Sit down in your chair. Sit down in your chair. Sit down. Good girl. Can I help you? Come here. Sit down in your chair. Come here. What are you doing, Addie? It's okay. Come sit in your chair. Mommy will read a book to you. You want to read a book? Look, I have a kitty book. Look, here's a kitty book. Come on, sit in your chair. Yeah, that's your book. Sit in your book. Sit in your chair. Sit down. Sit down in your chair. Sit down in your chair. Sit in your chair. Good girl. Come on. Do you want me to read your book to you? Addie, go sit in your chair. Come on. Come sit in your chair. Sit in your chair. No, Addie.